Hello, my name is Matt Kreisenbeck. I am the Community Outreach Coordinator for the Idaho Transportation Department. We're excited to share an update about the State Highway 16 and State Highway 44 interchange. As you may have seen, we are making significant progress in extending State Highway 16 south to I-84. The new interchange at State Highway 44, also known as West State Street, has always been part of the long-term vision for State Highway 16. Let's run through what you can expect when this project is finished. Today, both directions of State Highway 44 and State Highway 16 stop at a traffic signal. At the new interchange, State Highway 16 traffic will cross a bridge over State Highway 44 without stopping. State Highway 44 traffic will be signalized underneath the bridge. This particular interchange will be a partial cloverleaf design, similar to the interchange under construction at US 2026. 5 total on and off ramps will allow motorists to enter or exit the highway. This design will include a loop ramp, which will allow unsignalized free-flowing traffic from State Highway 44 westbound to State Highway 16 southbound. This project also includes several improvements to State Highway 44. State Highway 44 will be widened to 3 lanes in both directions between Moyle Avenue and Short Road, with shoulders and turn lanes. A pathway on the south side will accommodate bicyclists and pedestrians. The best way to stay informed about current construction is to sign up for email or text updates.